Aba babiri bari mu mushomo gw'ebiro bibiri bari abanyamakuru okurugomwa Kasese ogubire kugenderire kutekaho emiringo eyibakubasa kwongera obukugu omukuhandika aha mbozi zitari zimwe na zimwe.
And social media, you're competing in a very bad way. But social media is not a document of record. The newspapers are. So, as a journalist, it is very important for me to see that we set up some structure and leave it in place so journalists can have an easier way of acquiring wealth.
Omukama nagira ngu abanyamakuru binekoresa akagishaka programs zitari zimwe na zimwe ezi government eri kuretaho abanyamakuru okurebeka ngu batunga mu kihango.
Do awards every year, give prizes, find funders, people who are ready. Like Ejinankaiwa Korum White House, the White House journalist dinner. Yeah. The reason they do that is to fundraise for scholarships as journalists. But you can also fundraise for pension fund.
Bemwe ahabigenderwa ebyabanyamakuru babire bine bagenderera kutungamu obukugu no kubakubasa kuhandika ahanshonga ezenyamishwa zo mu makumiro. Aha niho babaze okutayira erindiro ry'enyamishwa erya Queen Elizabeth National Park kumanya ebiri kufayo kandi no muringo eyibakubasa okutekwa omunkora okurebeka ngu ebyo burambuzi byatunguka omuyihanga.
Elizabeth ningashi Uganda ebonire kandi ine bintu biri interesting twije at least turafuna mitware ebiro rafuna mitware 5 aja investingemu arebe how beautiful Uganda is.
Ahandi gushimira unegenda cy'umumisho kandi tekateka kwege ibintu bingi.
You will find one is having it.
Aha niho bashabire government okongera kumanyisa abanya-Uganda ahabyo burambuzi inkebi.
So hashimiye kuba hari sensitization yo kugira ngo no muntu waburijo go wahansi tumwi abase kugira okuyakimanya kuno ya Kasese kuno ya like ni cyambura nkahi yari ibintu birunje munonga.
The place is okay, the place is fine. Only that hati binitereza kureza mu ubuntu cyo gukora buramu kandi namunonga aha abanyarwanda bakoze buramu.
Transport system engudo china kahi byo bikiriye binafu. Konga kandi government ya improving abintu ebyo ahasigare cyo burambuzo mu Uganda ni kirunje munonga ibintu birumu kandi birunje.
Tegeke mwacho baga.
Gasha kwa Agacencwire.